If you use Evernote to stay organized, this quick tutorial will show you how to link an existing note with a calendar event in Evernote, the fast and easy way. This is perfect when you want your meeting notes, project notes, or prep notes attached right to the event, so everything stays in one place. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Evernote tips and tutorials. First, make sure your calendar is connected in Evernote settings. This is an important step because the calendar feature needs to be enabled before you can link any notes to events. If your calendar is already connected, you're good to go. If not, open Evernote and check your settings so the calendar integration is active. Now go to your Calendar widget on the Evernote Home dashboard. This is where Evernote shows your upcoming events and makes it easy to manage notes connected to your schedule. Once you're in the Home dashboard, look for the Calendar section and locate the specific event you want to work with, such as a meeting, appointment, or project review. Next, click on the event you want to connect to a note. Depending on your layout, you may see a 3 dots menu, which is the More Actions option, or you may see an option that says Link a Note. If you see the 3 dots, click that first to open the event menu. If Link a Note appears directly, you can use that right away. After that, Evernote will let you search for an existing note, type the name, topic, or keyword related to the note you want to attach. For example, you might search for meeting prep, client notes, weekly agenda, or project update. Evernote will show matching notes from your account, so choose the one you want to connect. Once you find the correct note, select it to attach it to the calendar event. This links your note directly with the event, making it easier to open everything you need when the meeting starts. It also helps you keep your workflow cleaner because the note and calendar entry stay tied together. After linking the note, double-check the event details to make sure the attachment is there. If you work with recurring meetings or multiple projects, this can save you a lot of time because you won't have to hunt through your notebooks later. Everything will be organized right from your calendar view. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to link an existing note with a calendar event in Evernote using the Calendar widget and the event menu. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how you plan, prepare, and stay organized. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.